Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, This Curvi Yogi. I am Jakita, and welcome back to my series, 30 Days of Yoga with This Curvi Yogi. So today we are going to be focusing on the hips. So if you have tight hips or you're feeling like you need to do something to loosen up those quad muscles, hamstrings, we'll work on a little bit of that today. So grab your mat and we will get started. So we're going to start in table pose or tabletop. So you're going to come onto hands and knees. Make sure that the knees are directly under the hips, wrists are under the shoulders, and have the wrists about shoulder width apart or maybe a little wider. So we're going to start off with 3 rounds of cat and cow. So on the inhale, you're going to drop the belly, pull the chest forward, gazes forward. And then exhale, you're going to press the floor away. Chin comes to your chest. Upper back puffs up towards the ceiling. Curls up towards the ceiling. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. And then coming back to table position. So we're going to bring the right foot to the outside of the right hand. So you may want to bring your hand in a little bit. And you want to walk your foot a little forward and then walk your hands forward. So we're coming into a low lunge, a little bit of lizard. So you're going to bring your hand to your knee and then the other, and then come up. So we kind of want to make sure the knee is stacked over the wrist. Not the wrist. The knee is stacked over the ankle. And sink the hips forward just a little bit. You can bring the arms up if you like, or they can remain where they are. This is a big hip opener, so just continue to breathe. Inhale and exhale. Then we're going to bring that left hand down and come into a quad stretch. So reach the back foot up towards the hips. Grab it with the opposite hand, with the right hand. You can grab the foot, or if it doesn't reach, you can just have the leg or the foot up. Inhale. Exhale. And then release. Bring the hand back, down. Bring the right knee back in, back into table. We'll do 3 rounds of cat and cow again. So inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale and exhale. And back to neutral. And do the same thing on the other side. So bringing that left hip or that left foot out to the outside of the left hand. Hands can come to your knees and we'll sink the hips forward. You can bring the arms up if you like. Low lunge. You can feel it all the way down here as well. Inhale. Exhale. And then we'll bring the right hand down. Lift the back foot. Grab it with the opposite hand. Coming back into that quad stretch. Inhale. Exhale. And release it gently down. Bring the hands back inside the foot. Release the knee back to meet the right. So we'll do 3 more rounds of cat and cow. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. And back to neutral. Then we're going to set up for downward facing dog. So tuck the toes under. From here, you're going to lift the hips up and back. From here, we'll lift the right foot, bend at the knee. We're just going to do some knee circles. Maybe about 5. And then release that foot down to the knees. Walk the hands back, sit the hips on the heels. Deep breath in and out. Walk the hands back. We'll come to down dog again. Tuck the toes under. Lift the hips up and back. And lifting the left leg, bend at the knee. Knee circles. Release. And down to the knees. Sit back on the heels. Deep breath in and out. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Also hit the bell for notifications. Remember that all of these sequences are designed so that you can piece them together and make your own yoga flow. So I hope you check out the other videos, and I hope to see you in my next video.